Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today I want to share very beautiful and unique full ideas. Welcome to decent and mind-blowing videos, mind-blowing designs, and today everyone you like see many of those designs. If you guys are interesting designs of decor talks, many ideas with many videos. You looking gorgeous, you looking prettiest, another designs, it's another videos and latest designs, latest attractive designs. If you guys are interesting and my beautiful ideas of Christmas bedroom designs of 2025, ideas of modern bedrooms, decorations of Christmas Christmas decor. Are you like these amazing videos and latest ideas with the latest most beautiful designs? You will be sharing with you. I will always be sharing with many beautiful ideas with many beautiful videos and latest unique full ideas. I will always be sharing with you. I will always be sharing with ideas are many and natural and good looking designs and latest videos, latest most beautiful and most attractive and outstanding designs of Christmas are many two colors like white, green and red. Three colors combinations are decorations of Christmas are also mind-blowing designs, mind-blowing videos and latest ideas with latest unique designs. You will be a good looking and inspiring designs of most demanding ideas. Our latest videos, latest attractive designs are many videos. You looking gorgeous, prettiest and its designs are also uploading in my channels for one by one designs are also available. These videos and full interior designs of Decortalk ideas are totally video are also available in this channel. You will be sharing with many ideas with many beautiful ideas. Our latest videos, latest attractive and unique designs, it's unique videos. Are you like these amazing full and charming looks and most demanding and attractive designs are latest videos, latest attractive ideas and everyone you like see many others videos, see many others design and most attractive and latest designs. You will be perfectly videos are most charmful ideas of Christmas decors. Two colors combinations, three colors combinations are most powerful and latest decorations related many helpful designs, helpful videos are decorations are curtains will be changed this Christmas according, bed sheets Christmas according and side tables, flowers and more vintage and latest full covers are lighting with lighting are also Christmas according are many beautiful and many little things are also according to three colors combo are many attractive many charming ideas. You will be our latest designs, it's more our latest videos. Everyone you like see others ideas with see many unique designs, unique videos. I will always be sharing with you with many unique and most demanding full ideas. Are you like these perfectly videos? It's perfectly designs are also to sharing with you. Are many unique designs. You looking gorgeous, you looking prettiest, and other beautiful ideas. With beautiful videos are many decor talks, decorations related ideas. So I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification. Always be sharing with you. I will always be sharing with many ideas with many beautiful design. Hope so I really sharing with many ideas with many attractive designs. It's more attractive videos. You will be also do decent and marvelous design with marvelous videos. Are you like these amazing full and unique full designs? Hope so. I really appreciate for newly designs. It's newly videos. So let's go. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.